Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your Pinterest password. It's actually really easy and simple. All you need to do, for example, if you logged in using Chrome, right? You come here, click on these three dots, and then click on passwords and autofill. Now go here and click on Google Password Manager. Now if I scroll down, here you'll see Pinterest. Okay, go ahead and click on that, enter your password for your PC. Okay. I will go ahead and do that right here. And you will be able to see your password. So here we go. I can just come here and click on this button, the I button, and I can see my password, right? And if I go to Pinterest and if I log out, this is another way. Okay, log out. And then you just come right here, click on login. Maybe you're probably already logged out. And if you are, all you need to do is come in and type in your email address. Maybe this is not even, auto-populated. So all you do is type in your email, right? So go ahead and do that, and it'll bring this up. So you go ahead and choose that. Now click on the I option, and you can see your Pinterest password. Okay? It's really that easy and simple.